Are you worried about how to manage your money? The most important step in managing money is to do a budget and plan your savings. In this video of Money Molecules, we will discuss here are 5 rules that can help you manage your money effectively. Watch this video till the end, as we will discuss all 5 rules of budgeting and savings one by one. Rule number 1, create a budget. Are you constantly running out of money by the end of the month, resorting to using your credit card or borrowing from friends? If so, you might be facing budgeting issues. It's crucial to create a budget to track your income and expenses. In today's digital age, it's easy to lose track of our spending. That's why it's essential to divide your hard-earned money into 3 categories: daily expenses, luxury expenses, and savings. This will give you a clearer picture of where your money is going and help you manage it more effectively. Rule number 2, set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your money, whether it's saving for a house, retirement, or a vacation. These goals should be attainable using the funds from your luxury expenses and savings categories. It's important to plan ahead and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. A goal with an open-ended deadline is unlikely to be achieved. Ensure you have a fixed timeline and make consistent savings efforts towards that goal. Rule number 3, prioritize your spending. Allocate your money towards essential needs first, such as food, shelter, and transportation. While wants are important, they should be aligned with your overall financial goals. By prioritizing essential needs, you'll ensure that your basic needs are met before indulging in wants. I am not saying to not go for wants, but those must be part of your goals. And if you are planning better, that would be achievable. I personally feel that spending must be prioritized in a way that they fulfill first daily must needs, followed by the needs of your family and self, and lastly, the wants. Rule number 4, emergency fund. Build a savings account to cover unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and we never know what sudden expense may come. Amount you are keeping separate in your savings bucket must be for this purpose. And ensure if amount pulled out more from this is than planned, try to save more in coming months to cover the gap. It is very important to have enough in your savings to take care of emergency funds. Rule number 5, cut unnecessary expenses. Regularly analyze your spending habits to identify areas where you can reduce costs. Categorize your expenses into must-haves and wants. Reflect on whether you could have reduced spending on any wants to increase your savings. While analyzing your spending, also consider if there are ways to optimize your spending on must-haves to save more. This could involve finding cheaper alternatives, negotiating prices, or reducing consumption. I can assure you that if you will follow above-mentioned 5 rules in your life while managing your money, you will never tense about any money situations. By following these rules, you can improve your financial health and achieve your financial goals. And remember, these rules to be followed from the first month of your earnings. Early you understand these rules and implement, more financial free you would be. If you like this video, subscribe us for more such informative content. Do share this video, like it, and comment below what next you want us to elaborate about money.